Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's the Bass God. Hey, just to give y'all some insight on what's going on. I got my distributor block, my ground distribution block that I used. I had my old one over here, but I ended up changing that because of how thick this new one is. But I have 8 runs of ground this time. Probably actually a total of 11 runs of ground. That's what I have about total. So at least I know now I'm going to have a lot more stable voltage, basically. And basically just to keep up with my power wires too, because my last build, I won't say last build, but my last setup, I didn't have enough ground. So this time I'm adding enough grounds. And yeah, basically everything is set up already, ready to go. Everything is set up. Only thing I'm waiting on is my doors right now. So I got this set up. I got this whole area right here set up. I'm gonna let y'all check up under the hood too, so y'all can see how that's looking. And I drove my truck around for about 20 minutes with the lithium under the hood, and I didn't have any problems. As y'all know, I got this heat shield right here. It blocks up to 1800 degrees radiation heat, and direct heat 437 degrees. This is my runs right here. Then I got my alternators grounded to the block, and then I have these 3 grounds to the frame right here. So this is the front, and I'm gonna let y'all check out my voltage as well with the truck started, so y'all can see how that's looking. And it's a stable 14.8 too. So I'm gonna let y'all check it. Alright, so my video cut out on me, but I'm gonna let y'all check out the voltage on here, just so y'all can know everything is pretty much accurate as far as the readings. 14.8, 14.8. As y'all see, the readings are the same. There's no false advertisement when it comes to readings. Alright. Like I said, the only thing I'm waiting on is my doors. Alternators are running pretty good. No squeaking noise, no nothing, everything is smooth. I even put a load on it, on those alternators when I was playing my bass, and I didn't get any type of exhaust or anything from my alternator. So that lets me know that these batteries are pretty good working. But yeah, the truck is ready to go. Just waiting to get these damn doors, my A-pillars, and everything else in. Oh yeah, I forgot to show y'all. I got another set of my CT2 tweeters that just came in. I'm gonna have 8 total. So I got 4 here. I got one that's coming in today, and I have 2 more at in Florida with my A-pillars as well as my 8s. And I have these 8s. Well, I got 4 of them. I got another one that's coming in from PRV. Then I have another set that's coming in today as well. So all my 8s and CT2s are in. They're just in different areas right now. So, but that's basically it, guys. If y'all got any questions about this build, hit me up.
Bitch, I wanna party like Chris Farley.